How to use Delegate.cash for the upcoming BAYC claim. First, go to Delegate.cash, connect wallet. You're going to want to connect with the wallet that your assets are in. So this will probably be your vault or cold storage. You'll get this pop-up with supported wallets. I select MetaMask. After selecting the MetaMask account that you're going to use, make sure that the transaction is see address, account balance, activity, and suggestion transactions to approve. Connect. Your vault wallet will show up here, and you simply paste in the hot wallet that you want to be your delegate wallet here. Once you've done that and double checked, submit delegation. Make sure the transaction is coming from delegate.cash and that the transaction is delegate for all. I also clicked to copy the contract address and pasted it into a note to compare it to the contract address provided to us by Boring Security DAO. Pause to read here or check out their Twitter. Once it was good to go, I hit confirm. I forgot to screenshot this, but it cost 0.008 ETH with Gwei at 27. Once the transaction confirms on chain, you will get this transaction complete pop up on your screen, and that's it. You have now delegated your wallet so you can be safer when minting the BAYC drop and hopefully other things as well.